Bradley, what is the most effective way for the people in this room to advocate for changes that they know would positively impact the business community?
Well, I'll say we're in a really tumultuous time in American politics. I mean, just to be really candid, it's really a difficult time, I think, to navigate the spectrum and try to be effective in what you do. I mean, even the electorate is so divided. You know, one of the strongest polling responses that you would get after why people didn't understand either the political spectrum is that I think it was 82% of them said, I cannot figure out either all my friends voted for Trump or all my friends voted for Biden. I don't know another person that didn't vote the other way. So I think as people start to think about engagement with policymakers, one, again, relationships matter, and I think personal stories matter, and explanation of why you feel or believe what you do and why you're engaging on it. I think is really important. You know, we have so much goes on with social media. There's a lot of distrust, and it's very unfortunate, especially when you're in the business community where we kind of want to be in the middle. There's a lot that we believe on both sides, but basically we want Tennessee to have a solid business environment. Whether you're an entrepreneur or you're a company looking to come here, you want to raise a family here in Tennessee. And I think making sure they have the understanding of where different sides come from and believing in that. You know, I think in terms of individual political engagement is kind of finding a North Star for you, like what you believe in, and then finding other groups that also believe. In Tennessee, there's so many of them, whether it's trade associations, you know, if you're interested in business with your Chamber of Commerce, you know, if it's humanitarian issues, there's so many different, I think engaging that way, and also employee groups, you know, have been an effective way. I think that we've been able to engage in the legislature that when a controversial issue does come up and they take a position as saying, you know what, companies don't like this because their employees have spoken out about this and they are concerned about it. You know, that we want to represent our employees, and that's some ways I think to be effective.